चलो.
So now we need to convert some amount what I have given. That amount we need to convert it into rupees and paisa separately. So in the previous lesson we have learned how to convert that rupees and paisa into rupees and paisa. If the combination is given, that in that thing we can convert it into paisa. Now this time it is given, all of these are given in rupees, and that I need to convert it separately into how much rupees or how much paisa. So the question is asking that express the following amount in rupees and paisa separately. Okay. So what have we learned? That 1.00. The first question is 1.00 rupee. 1.00 rupee is equals to how much rupees and how much paisa. So 0.00, that is after decimal point, 2 digits we have seen for paisa. Okay. So after decimal point here, both of these are 00. So what does it mean? No paisa. That is only 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Okay. And 00 paisa. Since there are 2 zeros are there, but 00 paisa we are not going to write down. Okay. So we will write down only 1 rupee. No paisa. Now the next problem is 0.37. 0.37 rupee. 0.37 rupee. Now you see, before decimal point there is 0. What does it mean? There is no rupee. Okay. So no rupee. It is 0 rupee and 0.37. 0.37 we can write it down as 37 divided by 100. But 0.37 rupee means what? In the opposite, we can think it about 37 paisa. Okay. 0.37 rupees is equals to 37 paisa. Okay. And 0 rupee we will not write down. We will write down only 37 paisa. Now next one you check it. There it is given 50.75. So 50 will be in rupees and 0.75 will be in paisa. That is 50 rupees 75 paisa. 50 rupees 75 paisa. Okay. So after decimal point 2 digits should be taken. Once again I am telling, after decimal point 2 digits should be taken. Okay. So after decimal points 2 digits, that will be represented for paisa. That is what have I told? After decimal point 2 digits should be taken for expressing the paisa. Okay. Now here 2 digits are representing 75, that is 75 paisa. Now check for the next problem. Rupees 12. Rupees 12 means what? 12 means we can write it down 12 as 12.00. Okay, 12 we can write it down as 12.00. That is, there is no paisa. 0.00 means that is no paisa. So we will write down only 12 rupees. Okay, 00 paisa we are not going to write down as the first one. Now next one is 0.5. Now check, this one is very interesting. What have I told? I have told rupees to paisa. When we are going to convert, you need to divide by 100. So 2 digits are required. But here after decimal point only 1 digit is there. So we need to convert that 1 digit into 2 digits. How can I do it? Use the concept of equivalent decimal. Use the concept of equivalent decimal. Okay? Use the use the concept of equivalent decimal and write down 0.5 is equals to 0.50. Both are same. So now after decimal point 2 digits are there. Now see here in the that is before decimal there is only 0. So 0 rupee we are not going to write down. So 0.50, that is 50 paisa. Okay, so 0.5 rupee means 50 paisa. Similarly, if I am asking you 0.3 rupee, 0.3 rupee, how much paisa it is? Think it. Yes, you are absolutely correct. 30 paisa. 30 paisa. Okay. Or suppose next example I have given as 3.9 rupees. 3.9 rupees. Now you need to think about after decimal point 2 digits should be there to represent the paisa. So we can write 3.9 as 3.90 using the concept of equivalent decimal. Okay. So 3.90, that is before decimal. 0.3 is there. So it will be 3 rupee